concrete description of unpacking, installation, debugging, and machining for CNC WDM machines, take CK7740 for instance. Dismantle the package. There are 4 wooden cases of new WDM machines. Attention! First one is mechanical components. Second one is controller. Third one is spare parts with tools. And the last one is computer. First of all, please unpack the wooden case of mechanical components 5 steps when they have been unloaded well. First, remove the packing for the main machine bed. Remove all the nails on the cover of wooden case one by one by crowbar or hammer, and then take the cover away. Knock off iron sheets from 4 under corners. Remove 4 planks of wooden case. Unpack the wooden case of controller. Same way as unpacking wooden case of mechanical components. Take care of controller during unpacking and avoid it to be damaged. Unpack spare parts wooden case. Same way as opening wooden case of mechanical components. Take water tank, accessory box, and package of documents out of spare parts wooden case. Unpack the wooden case of computer, same way as unpacking case of WDM machine. Take out the follows from the tank. 1 piece of cable for the pump motor. Water supply tube. 2 pieces of the return water tube. Water solution 2 barrels. The power supply cable for the controller. Press meter for the tank. Small piece of workpiece. A black tube for the pump filter. Take computer box, display, keyboard, mouse out, and a letter used from the computer package. Take out the shipping list from the technical documents package and check all the parts. Please read the operation manual carefully for installing and commissioning the machine. The way of hoisting the machine. Hang the machine as follows. Use 19 inches wrench or the adjustable wrench to screw off 4 fixed screws at the bottom of wooden case. Hang the belts of hoisting machine on the hoisting bar of machine itself and adjust the belts to a suitable position. Start the hoisting machine slowly and separate the machine from the bottom of wooden case. Keep the wooden case. To avoid any accidents happen, you can put 2 cross sides under the machine. Remove 4 pieces connection with the foundation. Take off 4 pieces the fixed block. Take out the cross sides from the bottom of the machine. Use wrench or the adjustable wrench to loosen 4 screws at the bottom of machine. Take off 4 pieces fixing plate and screw 4 screws on the fixing plate again. The method of hoisting the controller of the machine. First, put the hooks of the hoisting machine to the handle ring on the top of the controller. When the hanging belt is tightened, raise the machine slowly. Take out from the foundation and pull down the controller slowly, according to the instructions to put the machine. Pull the controller 500 mm left of WDM machine. Put the water tank beside the right of the machine bed 200 mm away from it. Install the controller. Install the controller. Take the 4mm inner extern wrench out of the tools box. Remove the 2 screws on the side of the screen window. Open the glass window. Take out the key to back door of controller on the box which is located. Put keyboard and mouse into the drawer of 3rd floor. Connect all the cables with the host computer according to the shape of the plug. Clean off all the anti-rust oil. Put the screw tabers at suitable place for later use. Please clear the anti-rust oil on the jig plate. Please find the 6mm inner Hexton spanner from accessory box. Screw off 4 pieces fixed screws at each side of jig plate. Push the jig plate to the end of negative direction of x-axis slowly. Clean all the anti-rust oil, jig plate, working table, up and down head, up and down ramp, and etc. Adjust the level. Find 2 gradiometers and put them on the working table by 2 directions, X and Y axis. Watch the position of vacuum of gradiometer. If the vacuum is at the position of side of gradiometer, it tells this side of WEDM machine is a little higher than the other side. Adjust the fixed screws of the other side clockwise to increase the level of the lower side. When the vacuum is located at the middle of gradiometer, it tells level adjustment and down. Dismantle the fixed brackets for X-Y axis. Remove 6 fixed blocks with 8mm spanner. Take off the fixed brackets for X-Y axis. Please keep all the brackets and the screws for future using. Take off 4 pieces hang bolt. Describing the level exactly, watch the position of vacuum of gradient. If the vacuum is a little higher than the other side, adjust the fit screws of the other side clockwise to increase the level of the lower side. When the vacuum is located at the middle of gradient, it tells level adjustment is done. Install the position limited of the guideway. There are 2 cut angle irons for x-axis. Take off the screws on the angle iron. Move the screw nut to the angle iron. Tighten the screw to the angle iron tightly. By the same way to fix the angle iron with the screw nut for y-axis. Install the water tank. Connect the pump filter and the outlet holder of the pump with the black tube. Screw this connect tube into the output holder of the pump tightly with 40mm adjustable wrench. The connecting of power supply cable for the pump motor. Take out of the cable for the pump. Take a gloss screwdriver from the tool box. Use this screwdriver to screw off the 2 screws on the cover of the junction box, which is on the top of the pump motor. Screw the 3 screws, which signed W1, V1, U1 with your hand. Take off the box for threading on the junction box, the cable, and take off the rubber ring on the holder side. Take out the power supply cable for pump motor. Pull this cable through the N-shaped holder on the cover, the rubber ring, the cord rate base orderly, and screw this junction box tightly, and put it back to the position. Connect PE to the position, which signs connecting ground. Screw all the screws tightly. Connect the 3 heads signed W3, V3, U3 of the cable to the junction holder signed W1, V1, you want random. Screw the nut tightly. Put the cover back on top of the junction box. Screw 2 screws tightly. Take 2 transparent pipes and take 2 snap rings from the toolbox. Put snap rings on the water supply tube, a white transparent tube, and connect the input hole of the machine bed with the output hole of the water tank using this tube and screw rings tightly with a screwdriver. Put back the cover on the top of the tanker carefully. Take out the pressure gauge. Seal the screw thread of the pressure gauge for the pump. Take a wrench, open end 14 mm wrench out of the tool box, and screw the pressure gauge tightly with this wrench. Pull one side of the thicker blue tube on the drain hole, which can be found under the metal sheet cover on negative Y direction. Pull the other hand into the first and the biggest slip hole on the water tank. Pull the thinner blue tube on hole of the drain notch, which locates at front of the wire wing drum. Pull the other hand into the second clip hole. Pull the water supply tube into the third clip hole on the water tank. Connect the power supply cable of pump motor to the machine bed. Open the BNC connect plug cover and connect the green 5-horse cable with it. Screw it tightly. Please pay attention to the direction. Tighten it. Controller. Take off the cover for the plug. Insert the cable to the plug and tighten it. Connect another end to the power supplier. Take off the cover of the water tanker. Mix BM4 environment protected working fluid with water according to the ratio 1:20. Fill 2/3 of the tanker. Put the cover back to the tank. Start the power. Open pump motor lid and exchange 2 connection ties on the 3-phase fitting post. And then